Everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Welcome back to our channel. If you love handmade fashion and creative accessories, you are in the right place. Today we are exploring a beautiful collection of crochet bag design ideas featuring adorable cartoon characters, stylish tote bags and unique handmade creations that are both practical and fashionable. Crochet bags are becoming more popular because they combine creativity with everyday usefulness, whether you are going to school, shopping, the beach, or meeting friends. A handmade crochet bags add a special touch to your outfit. Every stitch reflects the time, care, and talent of the maker, making each bag truly one of a kind. Let's begin with cute cartoon character crochet bag. These playful designs are inspired by beloved character, feature bright color, cheerful faces, fun details. They are perfect for children, teenagers, and anyone who enjoys cute accessories. These bags are also thoughtful handmade gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Next, let's look at crochet tote bag. Tote bags are spacious, lightweight, and perfectly for daily use. You can carry books, groceries, laptops, or travel essentials with ease. Modern crochet tote bags come in classic neutral colors, vibrant colors, floral pattern, granny scale designs, and texture stitches that create a stylish handmade look. Another growing trend is combining cartoon themes with tote bag styles. Imagine a roomy tote decorated with charming crochet character motifs. These creative designs are perfect for casual fashion and make wonderful statement pieces that stand out wherever you go. Crochet bags can also be personalized with wooden handles, bamboo handles, leather straps, decorative buttons, tassels, pom-poms, flowers, or bows. These finishing touches make every bag more elegant and unique while giving it a professional handmade appearance. Color selection play an important role as well. So pastel shades create a delicate and elegant look, while bold colors bring energy and personality. Black and beige design offer timeless elegance, and